I'm James. I'm from the Vesper Group, and today we are in Maine Tower, which is located in Canary Wharf. We are a stone's throw away from South Quay Station, and today we're on the 37th floor of this development. We're in a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Let's go and check it out. Right now you join me in the living room. We've got hardwood walnut flooring. We've got floor-to-ceiling windows, and we have a wireless Sonos entertainment system. This living room is right on spec. Right now you join me on the balcony of this 37th floor apartment. I am looking at some amazing views here. We've got the River Thames, we've got the Shard, and we've got the whole of the City of London in the distance. Right behind me, we've got Canary Wharf. This is the £1 million view that this flat is meant for. Now you join me in the kitchen, and what an amazing kitchen it is. We've got an L-shaped, we've got a full-size fridge freezer, and we've got SMEG appliances. Now in the master bedroom, and what a space we have. Check this out, built-in wardrobes, and this view across East London, comfort calling. What more could you ask for? So as well as the master bedroom, there are an additional 2 bedrooms here. They can both fit a king-size bed, they both have built-in wardrobes, and they've got floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking East London. We then have the family bathroom, a great size, as well as the ensuite bathroom, which leads into the master. This development also features a 24-hour concierge, a business lounge, a car park, and a private cinema. So if you're interested in this property, come down, have a look at it, drop us a message, we can show you around. It can be furnished to your spec, or it can be left unfurnished, as you can see today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we've got more property tours just like this one.